Is the RX 560 still worth it in 2025? Welcome to Techiato and Happy New Year. In 2025, the graphics card market has evolved dramatically, but many budget-conscious gamers and PC builders still turn their eyes toward older GPUs like the AMD Radeon RX 560. Launched back in 2017, the RX 560 was never a top-tier card, but it found a solid niche as an affordable 1080p gaming option. The question is, does it still hold up today? The RX 560 comes with 2GB or 4GB of GDDR5 memory and features Polaris architecture. It was designed for sports and lightweight AA gaming, and in 2025, it can still deliver playable frame rates in older or optimized titles like CS2, Valorant, League of Legends, and even GTA V. For those using low or medium settings, the RX 560 manages 60 FPS or more in many of these games at 1080p. However, it's not all smooth sailing. In today's gaming landscape, newer titles are much more demanding. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Alan Wake 2, or Starfield will push the RX 560 to its limits or beyond. Even at the lowest settings, these modern games may stutter or be outright unplayable. Also, the 2GB variant of the card is now heavily outdated due to modern games needing more VRAM. That said, if you can find the 4GB version second-hand for a very low price and your goal is retro gaming, indie titles, or competitive online games, the RX 560 still has life in it. It's also a decent placeholder GPU while you save up for something more powerful like an RX 6600 or RTX 4060. In conclusion, the RX 560 is not recommended for modern AA games in 2025, but for budget builds focused on lightweight gaming or home theater PCs, it's still a usable if very limited option. Just be sure to manage your expectations and consider future-proofing if your budget allows.